Hello guys, welcome back today. so I usually don't make Scratch tutorials. I'm usually just making Scratch videos and gaming videos. If you don't like me doing Scratch videos, just watch my gaming videos instead because if you don't like my Scratch my new Scratch tutorials I'm gonna be posting, you can just watch my gaming videos. Notice there's also a gaming video coming next week. Um, and after my intro. Gotta do. So first, to start our floating physics, just create a sprite and create a variable called. We can delete this one. That was just a junk variable because I was testing. So you can just do something like float or something. It can be for all sprites or for this sprite only. It doesn't really matter. So just create one called float. Then after you have float, go ahead and do a when clicked. It can be at 0, 0. Let's just do when go to 0, 0. And then set size. And then we do a forever loop. Then we want a point direction, I'm pretty sure, and to change y by. Then I think we need a plus and a multiply here. So then we want to take these variables, sin of this multiply, and go ahead and just put this, and we put float right here, I'm pretty sure. I'm sorry, I haven't done this in such a long time. I haven't put this in one of my projects since a long time ago. So then I'm pretty sure we put it here. And so what I mean by I don't know what I'm actually doing completely is because I have to check back at my old projects to see if I'm doing this right, because I don't know if I'm doing this right or wrong because I haven't done this in a long time. So wait a minute, I think I did something wrong. And this is 90 and 90 and then a float. Yes. Okay, and then now let's get working on the change y by. So we have to change y by just 1 second. We want to go ahead and take this, so a multiplication with and then a sin of, and another multiplication with 3, for example, and just go ahead and put it right here, I think, or right here. Yeah, right here. And then we put 3 right here. And then we want to do change. Why does this thing keep showing up? I don't know what that is. Change float by 1, I think. So, yeah. And then once we click the green flag, we'll get something like this. It doesn't necessarily have to be like that. You can go ahead and change these numbers. Let's move it down a little bit to like right here. So minus 95. So wait a minute. Oh. Y minus 95. I'm sorry, this is the first Scratch tutorial I've ever made. This is probably not a very like easy to, you know what I mean. So then we have our floating physics. We can change it. So I don't remember which numbers to change. It's been so long. That just changes that. So these should stay 5. We could change this to like 2 and 1, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, it's been so long. Yeah, we can do that. And we can just move it up to like 0 here. Yeah, that looks pretty good for floating physics. So I hope you like this video. Remember to like and subscribe and share this with your friends if it was helpful. Um Remember to click the bell and then do all notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Sorry about the very bad like how I'm teaching you all of this. I'm not very good at this, so I'll see you in the next one.